Hey, Sam wants some guns. Got any idea?
Not right now.
No problem, no problem.
Oh!
guys are in my way. Here we go. Maybe things will be better in Beverly Hills. I need to find Michael and get him back to Emma's before something happens to him. This is Michael's place. These zombies think someone's home. Michael, you home, buddy? This is freshly made. Well, this zombie didn't kill itself. Hollywood careers on Dret. Mentor of the year. Huh. Who knew?
Mike?
Blood trail leads inside, but the door's locked. Michael must have been here. Shit. Soundtrack signed by the... Need a key. If this Jesse hung up the house keys, then where... Yep, keys got knocked off the hook. Okay. Moment of truth. Please don't be dead, Michael.
Fuck!
He's not here. He might still be alive. Maybe he's gone to this Jesse's place. So how do I find that?
Oh, hey, Michael. This is Roxanne Kwan. If Jess is there studying, could you tell her to be back here by 8? I don't want her to miss the party. Probably best you don't come, though. After, you know. Okay.
No, it's Jesse Kwan I'm looking for.
Sorry, zombie. Party's over.
I'm not a zombie.
Is it the pizza?
Hey, do you have pizza?
Just let me the hell in.
Yeah. Well, if I open this door, a whole load of zombies might rush in, and I'm pretty sure that's a bad thing.
So, just close the gate first.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're having this big party, right? And some of the guys, not me, were riding on the gate, and it broke. Now, there's a whole bunch of spares in the garage, but it's like full of riffraff.
Fine. Okay, I'll handle it.
Oh, killer. I'll hit the garage button. You bounce the party crashers and fix things up. And then, dude, mi casa is your casa. Hey, Roxy, we got company. Find your jeans.
Fuck is my underwear?
I am dealing with absolute morons. You weren't kidding about the riffraff.
Seriously? Every zombie for miles is gonna hear him.
This should work. They're just gonna keep coming if I don't close these gates.
Not now, babe, please!
Stolen sword. Wonder where it is now. seriously.
Hey, were you getting the pizza, or were you fighting zombies in the yard?
The zombies.
Oh, right.
You say pizza?
No!
Sorry, man. Big evacuation party, you know. Oh, shit! We gotta get to the evac. Roxy? Roxy, hey! Come on, babe. No time to sleep. We gotta evacuate. Hey, Jesse, pack your shit. We're going.
Hey, the evac was days ago.
Oh, my fucking skull. Boom! Gods and whiskey.
Slept through another alarm. Hey, at least we got supplies for a few months.
Wow, that is a lot of food.
Food?
Okay, listen to me. Dumbasses. I am looking for Michael Anders.
What do you want with that stiff?
They don't get along. You don't call the lead singer of Gods and Whiskey a has-been.
Damn right.
The correct term is was-been.
Baked bean.
Oh, Christ in a can.
Okay. Jesse might know.
Oh, she's not here. Huh. I'm not getting that feeling of disapproval.
Another note.
Dear Mother, if you must have sex at 3 in the morning, please can you refrain from moaning and screaming quite so loudly?
That was you. Say she's gone up the hill to help a friend.
You just let her come and go with all those things out there.
Hey, she's smart. She's in med school.
She's real sneaky, too. Every time I turn around, it's like, whoa, she's right there.
Well, I'm gonna go find her.
Ah, cool. Looks like we're gonna have the place to ourselves.
No. I need to get my head together.
Hey, come on, she's gonna be okay. They're gonna find her. Come on, let's, like, plan and shit.
Yeah, play to our strengths. Thanks. Let's hear your big plan, then.
I'm gonna check Jesse's note.
Yeah, cool. It's on the floor there.
She should be hanging out with some construction workers.
Oh, yeah. They were renovating one of the big houses up the hill. And the cool look inside. You can't miss it.
Uphill it is. What is all that noise? Looks like Jesse or her friends were attracting the zombies on purpose. Whoa, traps. Better watch my step. Hello? Jesse? Anyone? There's no one coming. I'm making enough noise here.
Kill this noise.
Oh, God. Years. I must be getting old.
Whew. Sure glad you showed up. I'm Jesse.
Ryan, I'm a friend of Michael's.
Oh, he never mentioned you.
We're, apocalypse buddies.
You bonded over not being dead?
Kinda. Do you know where he is?
On his way to Monarch Studios.
Monarch Studios. You say why?
He had to get something important. So I made a lot of noise to distract all the zombies, and Michael snuck through the gate to the studio access road. My plan was to hang out with the construction guys till the zombies got bored and left.
Oh, the construction guys who are all zombies too?
Well, obviously I didn't know about that. They were fine yesterday.
Okay, well, look, your mom was worried about you.
Oh, they regained consciousness, did they? You know, she was perfectly sensible before she met Ricky. Now it's like trying to keep a couple of wasted teenagers alive.
They are lucky to have a responsible adult around.
I just hope Michael comes back. I miss having someone intelligent to talk to.
Need some help getting home?
I'm pretty sneaky when Michael's not galumphing along next to me. You can get going.
All right, well, good luck. Monarch Studios? What does Michael want there?